Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the fog lights on your 2016 Subaru Outback. And today we'll be upgrading the halogen bulbs to LEDs from Auxito. These are their A1 Ultra Premium light bulbs. They have lights for all applications, doesn't matter what you drive or what lights you need, they got them. Inside the box you'll find a pair of white gloves, a user manual, and then these are the lights. These are a pretty nice light. We've been using Auxito for a long time. They're a good quality light. They have a sturdy aluminum housing, built-in cooling fan, nice rubber, and dual LED on both sides. They're a direct plug-and-play light bulb, so I'm going to show you how to change these. They're fairly simple. Take a look from the back. We actually have the fender liner removed for your viewing pleasure. There's going to be a bunch of plastic clips underneath of this shield. So the fender liner comes down and then it goes forwards. All you got to do is remove the plastic clips. There's going to be two here and a couple that run along here. You should then be able to sort of move the plastic fender liner downwards in order to gain access to the fog light assembly. These are H11 bulbs. You're just simply going to unplug them by pressing on this tang right here and pull down. You should be able to get that to come off. Then turn the light bulb counterclockwise to unlock it out of the lens assembly. There's the bulb. Now we're going to take the new LEDs and put them in. Simply line up the locating tabs on the LED bulb with the housing, turn it clockwise to lock it into place, and then you're just going to grab your connector and plug these in. Once secured, we can turn the light on and we'll do a comparison between the regular LED or the regular halogen and the LED. All right, there you can see it just looks so much more modern. It completes the look. You got these white lights and the white marker lights. It just looks so much better compared to the dull and dingy halogen bulbs on the other side. This is just such a nice upgrade. If you want some, check the link in the description. Like I say, Auxito's got you covered. We've been using their products for a while now and haven't had any issues with them. They're good quality, and they do offer different tiers of light bulbs if you want better and nicer ones. That's pretty much it. As far as putting that cover back on, just put it back into place and put the plastic clips back in, and that's pretty much it. It's the same deal for the other side. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Helps us out more than you know. We'll see you in the next one.